day to you, Sir Madam. My name is Estrelita Blanza. I'm Filipino. I'm 37 years old. My religion is Catholic. I'm married. I have 2 children and my husband is working as a farmer. I have 7 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm the youngest in this family.
Good day to you, Miss Blanza. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
I'm honest, responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Can you tell us how to take care of children?
Give them food, nutrition,
Give vitamins.
give vitamins on time, take them a bath every day, play with them, and love them as my own children.
What if you commit mistakes? What to do?
I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
What is your last message to your employer?
Sir Madam, if you hire me, I promise I finish the 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Blanza, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir Madam.